who's been a dirty little line of code? You will have 30 seconds to find out before I reveal the fix. Ready? Did you find it? Either way, congrats for challenging yourself. Code reviews are the best way to level up and keep sharp. Now let's look at why this snippet is failing. It's really all about execution order here. As discipline is increased before checking for disobedience, complaints may happen when punishment was actually deserved. Swapping the increment and the conditional check is enough to fix the behavior. Stay sharp.